Okay, so this is my repeater slash go box. You have cable storage right here for the repeater cables when not in use. You have a 25-watt radio here. Yeah, this could be higher if you wanted to. Mic hanger right there. This is if you were using it in repeater mode, this would be the receiving repeater or receiving unit. You don't need a very powerful unit to receive, only to transmit if you want to go very far. There's the repeater controller right there. This blue thing is a 3D printed shroud or cover that I printed out. You have the charge controller, which is right here. It has two USB ports. I have a 7 amp hour battery down here and a 5 amp hour battery up here, giving us a total of 12 amp hours. And then down there are the connectors for the coaxial. And if we walk around back, you'll see the coaxial connectors. One's input, one's output. There's solar or voltage in, or amperage. And yeah, that's the repeater. This is a very cheap radio. It's like the cheapest mobile radio. You can upgrade that if you wanted to. Same with the batteries. These batteries are just what I had. If I were to buy them, I'd go for a one solid 12 amp hour battery. Yeah, the charge controller was given to me by a friend. Same with those batteries. And the radio was my very first ham radio ever. And it's getting kind of old, so decided to put it to use here.